everyone, this is Alessandro Bruxel from Home Chef Seattle, and today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the recipe for my favorite banana bread. So some banana bread recipes ask for sour cream, others for yogurt. In this recipe, we're going to be using some cream cottage cheese. So this banana bread is not only great tasting, but it's actually much healthier for you with a much higher protein level than most banana breads. This bread is not going to be dense at all, it's going to rise high and it's going to be super fluffy but still moist. I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's get started. For this recipe you're going to need 3 overripe bananas, 2 eggs, half cup of creamed cottage cheese, cinnamon, salt, all-purpose flour, brown sugar and baking soda. Start by mashing the bananas. Then add 2 eggs. The cottage cheese should be blended in a mixer until nice and creamy. We'll be using half cup of the creamed cottage cheese. Three-quarter cup of brown sugar. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And mix everything well to combine. When everything is well combined, we're gonna add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Mix it just until combined, but do not overmix it. Grease a loaf baking pan with some vegetable oil. Then, pour the batter into it. This is optional, but I like to top it with some sliced bananas and some white chocolate chips. Bake it in a preheated oven at 350 Fahrenheit, 176 Celsius for 50 to 60 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted in the middle comes out clean. Once your banana bread has cooled, remove it from the pan and it should be ready to be enjoyed. I hope you guys have liked the recipe. Please don't forget to like it and subscribe for more videos to come.